In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is to open the App Store on your iPhone. And when you are taken to the App Store, you may see TikTok on the home page here, and you can download it from here. However, if you don't see that, you want to click on the search icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to click on the search bar at the very top, and you want to search for TikTok. Once we've done this, it should be the top result here, so you want to click into it, and if you scroll down you can see more information about the application. However, to download the app you want to click on the Get button, and you may need to enter in your Apple ID to do this. Now because I've downloaded it before, it shows the cloud icon, so I'm going to tap on that instead, and it's going to go ahead and download TikTok to your iPhone. Just bear in mind that TikTok may not be available on the App Store due to your region, so you may need to change the region of your iPhone, and I'll leave that video linked in the description of this video. And you may also need to use a VPN to spoof your location, and I'll also leave that video linked in the description of this video. So once TikTok has been downloaded, it will show the open button, so you want to click on that, and then TikTok will be open and you'll be taken to the sign up screen. So if you already have a TikTok account, you want to click on login at the very bottom, and you want to go ahead and log into your account just as you normally would. However, if you want to create a TikTok account, you want to go to the sign up page, and then you want to choose from any of these options. So I recommend signing up using a phone number or email, and then you want to go ahead and create your TikTok account just as you normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.